Food is a human right, say these people in the center of Buenos Aires. They gathered in Argentina's capital to demand more government help. Sebastián Subizarreta says poverty rates are on the rise and millions of people are struggling to survive.
La salida es con trabajo.
We understand the way out is with work and that we're in a complex situation, but there are resources. The government will have to choose whether to continue paying for foreign debt or take care of those people that can barely make ends meet.
The pandemic poses a major challenge for Argentina. The government is already assisting over 10 million people with food and cash handouts. But the economy has deteriorated rapidly. The country is struggling to pay its foreign debts, and still every day, around 20,000 new infections are confirmed. There is an evening curfew here in the capital, and access to public transport is limited, but authorities are reluctant to declare another full lockdown like they did last year, fearing the consequences that might come from closing the economy completely.
There's no social margin to shut down everything. There are lots of people that don't eat meat if they don't work. The government has fewer tools than they did last year, and that's why it's crucial they accelerate the vaccination campaign. They cannot focus only on restrictions because there is no support and there is need on the street.
Even though Argentina has one of the strongest public healthcare systems in Latin America, institutions and workers here are under stress.
The rising infections in these past weeks have most hospitals in Buenos Aires at full capacity. In some locations, they're already transferring patients to other areas in order to cope with the demand. In this hospital, people have been waiting for hours to go inside an emergency room.
Antonio Laureano is a construction worker and says he rushed to the hospital because he was feeling ill.
My throat hurts, my back hurts, I have difficulty breathing. I've been waiting for a while to see a doctor.
But experts say this is the beginning of a second wave. With a long winter ahead and scarce resources, authorities are evaluating when is the best time to shut down. Teresa, Al Jazeera, Buenos Aires.